Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Today I've got a pretty cool money making application to share with you guys today. It's basically a spin to win app, and all you have to do is get your daily spins and pick a prize. They have very, very cool prizes that you can pick in this app, and they are pretty expensive too. And all you have to do is just spin, and if you're lucky, you will win your prize, and they'll send it directly to you. But before I show you guys this incredible application, if you want more awesome money making videos showing you how to massive grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Okay, so the app I want to share with you guys today is called Winit, and you can see it right here in the top left corner of my screen. So now let's open up this application. And you can see here when it loads, you're going to be brought to this screen right here. And on this screen is your prize list. Your win list is what they call it. So you can pick 10 different items that you want to win, and you will spin for them using this application. And you can see right there that I currently have 10 spins left, right there in the top left corner. And what you do is when you pick your 10 different items, you can see right now I have one item, 1 out of 10. And the first item I have right here is a PlayStation 4 Pro. So like I said earlier, they do have really cool, really fancy and like expensive items that you can actually win from this application. So it's pretty great, especially if you are able to get lucky and win. And once you have your 10, you can spin for them, and hopefully you'll get lucky and you'll win the prize. So first, let me show you guys the different items that you can choose for your win list. So you can see right here, it says, what do you want to win? And all you have to do is just search for whatever you want. So let's say you want to get a TV, and what you do there is just put in TV, and you can see that they have different TVs available for you to spin for. So for example, let's say you wanted a Samsung 42.5-inch TV for that is worth actually $530. All you have to do is just tap on that, and you can see right there it'll say add to win list. So tap on add to your win list, and right there. So now it gives you the option to spin for it. So let's do that, and let's see if we win. So first, before you spin, it'll give you an ad, of course, and just wait for the ad to finish. And then it'll give you an X out button somewhere in the top corner. And then now you can see here, we will be able to spin for this prize. So now it'll start spinning, and it says to click on stop whenever you want to find out if you're a winner. So just tap on stop right there. And okay, so we didn't get our prize, but we did get some points. And now we can say done. All right, so cool. Now we have some more points added onto our account. And with these points, you can use them with Shop Your Way partners to buy different items. But you have to know that they will expire in 14 days from the time they're added to your account. So be sure that you use them up before they expire, or else it'll just go to waste. All right, so that's one thing that you can do. There's one item that we spun for. Now let's try to spin for this PlayStation 4, and let's see if we're lucky enough to win the prize. So once again, each time you spin, as I said, they're going to prepare an ad, and you just have to exit out after a certain period of time has passed. So let's wait for this one. Okay, so you can see right there, there's the X out button at the top right. Now let's tap on that. And now what we have to do is, once again, just click on stop whenever we want. So let's stop that and just hope you win a prize. So once again, we did not win this time, and actually this time we didn't get anything at all. But we do have 8 more plays today, and there's also a bonus game. So let's try that. So you can see there's another tab next to the win list that says bonus. And you can see here it says free cash in points. So let's try it out. And of course, once again, they're going to give you an ad as usual, because that's how they make their money. It's through ads. So you just have to wait for it to finish up. And now we have an X button here. So there you go. Now we have a bonus game. And let's see if we're able to get anything with this game. So now I'll just tap on stop. And okay, it looks like we got some more points. And wow, that's a lot of points. We won 2,750 points. So there you go. And then that will be added to our point balance soon. It takes some time for them to add it, so it's not instant, but that is a good number of points. That's actually the most I've gotten yet, so that's pretty incredible. Okay, so now that we've spun for our 2 items, we can add some more products that we want to get on our wish list. So let's go for something a bit cheaper. Let's look for a book. Maybe we'll get more lucky if it's not too expensive. Okay, so they don't have books in particular, I guess, but they do have a backpack. So let's go for that. I may need to replace my old school backpack, which is breaking down a bit. So now let's add that to our win list, and now it says here, spin to win. And let's wait for this ad to load, and then we will close out of it right there. Okay, so now let's see if we can win this backpack. So I clicked on stop already. And, oh, unfortunately, we did not win anything again. But we do have 7 more spins. And like I said, it's very simple, very easy to use. Just look up 10 different items that you're interested in. It can be worth any amount. And like I said, a lot of them are actually pretty pricey and expensive. So if you are lucky enough to win, then you are going to get a good deal out of this application. So yeah, that's pretty much how that works. I don't want to go through all my 10 spins on this video because then it'll take too long. So you can also see here that they do offer a winners list. So you can see the different prizes that other people have won recently. So like, for example, someone won a pair of eyeglasses that are worth $54. And actually someone won a laptop, a 15.6-inch laptop from Dell that is actually worth $600. So lucky them, they got a really, really good prize out of this app. And you can just keep on going down this list, and you can see all the different prizes that people have won. They range from like electronics to clothing to eyewear, I guess. So yeah, it's a really great application. And if you're lucky enough to win, as I've said, then you can get really fantastic prizes out of this app. So yeah, another thing you can do here is extra. And with these extra ones, they're just some more tasks that you can do in order to get some more prizes if you have the luck on your side that day. So you can see here, there's different offers and stuff you can do just like any other app. And if you want to go through them, you don't have to, but if you use up your 10 spins for the day and you want to try your luck at different things, then this is always an option for you to do. And then one more thing, let's just go through the frequently asked questions to make sure that you fully understand how this app works and how everything functions. So like I said here, how does it work? It says you search the app for products that you want to win with approximate retail values of between $50 and $1,000, and you spin for a chance to win. You can add 10 products and spin once per day. And you can win the product or shop your way rewards points. And then you also have the opportunity to view ads and offers, and advertiser will pay them for you viewing their ads. So you can add up to 10 products and spin once daily for each product. And you can also remove them and add new ones if you don't like what you have at the moment. And then to remove, you just click the X. The icons on the wheel means that if you land on the coin icon, then you win rewards points. If you land on the gift icon, then you win the product that you wanted. And then if you won, then it says here that you're going to get an email, and you can confirm your win. And you also have information about verifying your eligibility to win and receive your prize. So they'll have to like confirm your address, and you have to give them your size and color options, and you have to like give them your I think you have to give them your personal identification just so that they can make sure that you're a real person. And then if you won points, they'll be credited to your Shop Your Way account automatically. And then with those Shop Your Way points, you can use them at participating stores on different eligible products. So for example, you can redeem them on Sears, Kmart, or Land's End stores, and 1,000 points is equivalent to $1. So that 2,000 spin I got earlier was worth about $2.7, which is nice. And then the odds of winning vary based on the number of entries and the order that they're received. So they are powered, or the Shop Your Way Win It thing is powered with over $20 million in products and points awarded. So that is more common, I think, than winning the actual prizes themselves, since the prizes are not that cheap. So they're not too easy to get. But if you do get them, then congrats to you. And restrictions to winning: you have to live within the 50 Wait, you have to be a legal resident of the 50 United States or of Washington, D.C. You have to be 13 years or older, and you have to be a Shop Your Way member and sign up for email bonus offers. So, unfortunately, this is not available to different international countries like India or the Philippines or wherever you're from. You have to be from the US in order to get these products, since, like I said, they do mail them directly. So they will not mail them internationally, which will be a lot more expensive for them. So yeah, there's that. And Apple is not a sponsor of the app, as they say here. All right, so that pretty much covers everything about this application. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.